morning, everybody. We are on our last full day here on Caye Caulker. It's been a pretty awesome trip. Caye Caulker. You know what I mean. It's been an awesome trip, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. It's amazing.
I think yesterday was probably the highlight for the snorkeling.
Yeah.
I don't know if anything can beat it today, but we might go north of the split, or we might just stick around here and swim. Either way, I'm sure it'll be good. So we are on our way to get some fried jacks for breakfast. Stuffed fried jacks.
Super excited.
And after that, I guess we'll figure it out. Need some more coffee.
Yes. Are you watching me eat?
Very
So good.
tasty. Oh, good.
Fried jacks are life.
A+ for the fried,
Oh, God, so good.
stuffed fried jack. Highly recommend that place.
$2
Yeah. That was like a $4, $4.50 breakfast. Highly recommend.
Highly.
Okay, so we are now adventuring to the water taxi to take us to Koko, which apparently is another really nice beach.
North of the split.
North of the split. It kind of looks like it might rain, so this could be an adventure. Could be some rough seas.
Totally looks like it's gonna rain.
But I heard it's a good beach, so we're gonna check it out. Plus, I got my pineapple shirt on, so I'm ready for an adventure. Koko.
Super nice.
I think the sun fried my brain.
Really good swimming.
Yeah, really good
Nice
swimming.
Palapas for rent. It's nice.
Yeah, it's good for a day trip, for sure. Now I think we're gonna go look for some dinner. Well, maybe get cleaned up a little first and then go look for some dinner. Unfortunately, check in for our flight. But I'm gonna cut this short because we're about to go past the power plant. It's really loud. Water taxi to head back home. But it's been an awesome trip. I hope you enjoyed it for your birthday present.
Very
for a
good
birthday.
Very good birthday.
I think both the locations were great. Both had pluses. I don't even want to say minuses. Maybe. But yeah, so that's it for Belize, and that's it for this video series. Thanks for watching.